Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and edit your pages in Notion. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Notion. Creating and editing pages is really simple. And it's great because Notion has so many options, and basically you can make this space that you're seeing right now your own. It won't even look like Notion when you're done with it. On the left hand side, you will see a menu. Underneath private, you will see getting started, quick note, personal home, task list, journal. All of these are pages, and they come standard when you actually create your Notion account. So there's two ways of doing this. On the top, you'll see your space's name and a bunch of icons here, and we'll see this drop-down menu where you can click on page, and you'll be able to create a page from blank. Now, let me show you what that looks like. When I say from blank, I literally mean from blank. So this is a new page, and as you write it and you tap enter, you'll see this is the name of the page, and on the left-hand side, it'll actually come up over here. It is now on this list over here, okay? However, if you do want to use a template, you can use this drop-down menu, and you can go into templates. Here, you are able to see a bunch of different page templates. So you can go and scroll and see what exactly is available and see exactly what you would like to use. Now, what you just saw from the blank page versus some of these templates are really crazy. They look very different. So here, just for example, let us go ahead and choose a goal tracker. So let's go and click on this, and you can just say add. This is a 2026 goal tracker. You can add it as private, or you can add it as a page that everyone within your team can see. It really doesn't matter. And it is now being added. You give it a second, and you'll be able to see it again right over here. So let's go and say see template. If you go and look underneath private, you'll see more, and it should be down over here. The nice thing about this is all editable. So this is a template that has been created, but now you can actually create this and customize it yourself. So whatever you see here, you can actually just click on, and you'll be able to actually, you can rename, you can edit how you see it. You can actually click on everything and literally edit it as is. Now, if you are going into your new page that you created and you'd like to create something that looks like this, all you'd have to do is click literally anywhere and hit that /, and here you'll be able to do so much. So these are just basic block editors. You have Notion AI where you can actually translate, you can continue writing, you can also ask a question, you can ask about the actual page itself, you can make it shorter. There are a bunch more things that you can do with the AI over there. And then if you carry on past that, you can see that there's media that you can add. You can also add databases, so tables, boards, galleries, lists, feeds, calendars, timelines, maps. Wow, it just goes on and on and on. There's some advanced blocks, so you got tables of contents, block equations, buttons, breadcrumbs, sync blocks. And again, the list goes on. We also have inline blocks, so you can mention a person, mention a page, an emoji. We got some embeds. So here you can add whatever third-party app is connected to your Notion page or your Notion account. So you can add whatever it is over here from whatever app you'd like that you're using, whatever third-party app. There's tons. You can also sync your databases over here, and then you can also import a CSV, HTML, text, and Markdown. You can also import Asana, Confluence, Google Docs. I mean, it's endless. You can really make this your own. The more you scroll, the more details you get. You can continue to create something amazing right over here. And everything, as I mentioned, is absolutely editable.